How to buy KEK token on Trust Wallet. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you under my channel, please do your own research. Now before that, make sure to open this token on CoinMarketCap. Now go to contacts and copy this token address in under Solana network and go to your Trust Wallet and open it. Now we need to add this token first to be able to buy it. Now click on Manage Crypto, click on plus here. Now select the Solana network from here. After you select it, now paste the token as you can see to be able to find. Now click on add token. Now after that, search for your token as you can see, the KEK as you can see here. Now after that, as you can see, you can't see this swap option. It's fine. Just go to that wallet that you want to transfer that token to your Trust Wallet. Now after you click on transfer on that token on that wallet, either it's Bitget wallet, Bybit, MetaMask, Phantom. Now after that, you need to see or you need the withdrawal address. Just go back to Trust Wallet, click on that token, click on receive as you can see, click on proceed anyway, select it again, a new one. Now you can copy the withdrawal address and go back to that wallet that you want to transfer from and paste that withdrawal address on it to be able to receive that token on your Trust Wallet. So this is how to buy the KEK token on Trust Wallet. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.